Good.
Alright, so to remove this radiator, you got 4 bolts. Thing's still leaking. And it's brand new, not even a month old. But you got 1 bolt here, 1 bolt there, and then 2 more on the other side exactly. And then we got this line right here. You know, you get some pliers. You bada bing, bada boom.
Yeah. I could lose it all today. Still probably fuck big ass strap. Who told you niggas we was knuckling up?
Off 2. Bada bing, bada boom. With the boot. Now we got these tranny lines. Pull the little cap off. Alright, to take these off, they have the little safety pins. Pop it off like so.
We upgraded to the XD.
And the line should pop off. And make sure lastly you take off your upper radiator hose and your lower.
My bullshit, stated no shit longer than a pool stick clown. What's the word around town? Heard he was a snitch, so they put him in a
Good package.
Comparison between the 3-row and the local AutoZone.
Lifetime warranty.
Hey, big arms around here, huh? Get to take off your
What's going on, cuz?
Is you retarded? Cause somebody brains just chilling on a carpet. Slaughterhouse. This is shit that
bolts tied up.
Plug and play, huh? E-fans for the one.
Make sure it's in the bracket.
Now I'm back up on my bullshit. Go shit longer than a pull stick.
Put these on your back on your line gels. Your lines will pop off. And make sure you pull on your lines before you pin. Yeah, before you done. After you're done installing them, to make sure that they end good, so they don't pop off later.
Check the E-fans off.